Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Olaf from Frozen. Grab the style showdown hat and color it brown. These are the adjustments for it. X is at 1, Y is at 0.54. Also, you'll need VIP for this, so before you do any adjustments, you'll need VIP. Z 0.54. The rotation is X 0.30, Y at 72. And then Z at 0.42. And you're going to scale it all the way down to 0. Then you are going to get the cherry hat. Color it white in glitter for both the bow and the hat, and then color that black in silk. Position the X at 0.94. Y at 0.51, Z 0.47, rotate the X at 0.56, Y at 1, and Z at 0.43. Scale it to 0.08. Then we are going to grab the fur hat in white and glitter. For the adjustments needed, it's 0.92, 0, 0.76. For the rotation, you'll need 0.15, 0.77, and 0.37. And you're going to scale it to 0.35. Grab this bonnet in white and glitter. For the adjustments, you need 0.92, 0.25, and then Z is at 0.57. Rotate it at X 0.02. Y at 0.81. Wait, sorry, 0.70. Z at 0.28. And scale it to 0.07. Next, grab this hat in white and glitter 2. For the position is 0.98, 0.46, and then Z is at 0.59. Rotate the X at 0.06, and then 0.81, 0.28, and then scale it all the way down to 0.2. Let me see if I got this one right. Okay. Next, we are going to grab these earrings here in black. And then in silk too. This is for the button. 0.97. 0.25, 0.61, rotate it at 0.78, 0, 0.86, and scale it to 0.71. Then for the other button, we're going to use these earrings in black. For the adjustments, 0.66, 0.45, 0.52, rotate it at 0.42, 1, 0.52, and all the way to 1. Then we're going to grab the eye mask in white and glitter and in black. This is for the smile. Position it at 0.96, 0.51, 0.45. Rotate it at 0.07. White at 1. Z at 0.37. And scale it all the way to 0. And then we're going to get the sunnies here. And we're going to color it blue and white. It's like a pastel blue-ish color. Like this in glitter and in white. For the position, X at 1, Y 0.62, Z is at 0.46, rotate it at 0.43, Y at 0.78, Z at 0.28, and scale it to 0.18. I think I need to make some minor adjustments to that. Okay, should look something like this. And I'm also making some adjustments to the hat a little bit. Like here. And maybe to the smile as well. Like that maybe. And then we're going to grab the antlers from VIP. These are for like the arms here. So I'm just going to color it this brown color. And then I'm going to position the X at 1, the Y at 0.30, the Z at 0.67. Rotate it X at 0, Y at 1, and Z just leave it and scale it all the way down to 0.09. Until you have something like this. Lastly, we need just the unicorn horn for the nose. Color it whatever orange you want. I'm just going to color it this color. Position the X at 0.95, the Y at 0.53, Z at 0.5, rotate it at 0, and then 0.72, and scale it down to 0.14. Make some minor adjustments here and there. And that is it. That is how you can create Olaf on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.